Oi gente, o meu nome é Lília e esse é o meu segundo vídeo para o canal aqui do YouTube, Casinha da Lília. Nesse vídeo vocês vão ver a minha organização diária da minha cozinha rosa e espero que vocês gostem desse vídeo e se inscreva no canal e já curte aqui, viu, o vídeo.
From outer space, and I was sprung out from the earth. We laid down face to face to witness our rebirth, and I'm not leaving while you're breathing. So let's pack our hats in a burlap sack and go. Leaves are falling, we are stalling. Seasons come and go, but winter's chill won't leave me ill. I'll fight, you'll fight. Toothpaste and lemonade, polka dots and stripes. You're a dark night and I'm the day. We're a wreck and that's alright. You're the pin that's sticking into me, the hand grenade.
I wonder if God got a plan for everyone. I wonder if I could take a second run. 'Cause I carry on getting sad and getting stuck. What I wouldn't give for a life that doesn't suck. I'm a moving target. I never finish what I've started. I'm a moving target. But if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm a moving target. I never finish what I've started. Kinda makes me wish I never started. I'm a moving target. But if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. No, I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself.
gostado do vídeo e se inscreva no canal, não esquece de dar um like.